A customer journey is automated marketing. It's a great way to create marketing that is set and forget. For example, we can create an email that when someone subscribes, they send an email, and a week later they send another. And that's what our tasks for today are. So in Mailchimp, I'll just very quickly demonstrate the various tasks. So we click on automations. We're going to click create customer journey. We can call it anything we want to. I'll just call it hello for now, but you can call it anything. Make it something that makes sense to you, obviously. And select the audience. In other words, when people are added to Gary's training audience, this will trigger this series of emails. And I'll click start building. How will they start? So the starting point, is when someone signs up. We want an email sent as soon as someone signs up. So I'll click signs up and click save starting point. So we can see our customer journey starting to get built. So once they sign up, then I want to send them an email. So I can click the plus, where I want the email to be, and click send email. And let's just keep building. So what I want then is I want a delay. So I want them to be sent that email after they sign up, and then I want a delay. So I'll click delay, and then where I want the delay, I'll click the plus. Gets the email, wait for 1 week. Just to show you, I could click on this delay and change it to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 6 hours, whatever. Then the last thing in the task is send another email after a week. So I'll click where I want the email and click send email. Nice and easy. So we've built our journey, but now we just need to fill in those emails. So as soon as someone signs up, send that email. Delay for a week, send that email. I'll just very quickly build these 2 emails. So the first email to go immediately after someone subscribes. So I'll click gets email. Change the subject line. I don't know what to put. You would just add a subject line anyway. Add the preview text. Click save. Just to show you that I will use that previous campaign we've sent. So I'll click use a previous campaign. I'll just click on this campaign we sent. Wait for that to load up. And then once it loads up, we could amend the content as we see fit for this first email, save and test, and I'll click save and return to workflow. Okay, so that's our first email that's sent immediately. Then our second email, I want to create that, so I'll click on it and do the same as I did previously. So this is that email that goes out a week later. You'd add some preview text, click save. And again, I'll just use the previous campaign just as the example. And I'll just click on it. And again, once it loads up, I would just amend it, to be the information, images, video, whatever I want on the second email. I would preview and test, and then click save and return to workflow. Okay, and that's it. So people sign up, they sent that email. A week later, they sent that email. So let me make this live. I click continue, turn on, and honestly, that's it. So now, as people sign up for my audience, they'll be sent that first email. A week later, they sent the next. And that's how easy customer journeys are.